If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To change the images settings of a PDF conversion settings preset in Adobe Acrobat, click the Images Settings category underneath the expanded view of the PDF conversion settings preset in the Adobe PDF Settings dialog box. The Images settings determine the compression and resampling to apply to color, grayscale, and monochrome images in a PDF. The color images and grayscale images sections contain the same settings for downsampling, image compression, and image quality. The monochrome images section contains setting choices for downsampling, compression, and anti-aliasing to gray. At the very bottom of this dialog box, you can set a policy for handling images less than a specified resolution. In the Color Images, Grayscale Images, and Monochrome Images section, to choose a downsampling method to apply for each image type when an image exceeds a threshold value in pixels per inch. Select the downsampling method from the Downsample dropdown. The choices are Off, Average Downsampling to, Subsampling to, and Bicubic Downsampling to. Selecting Off reduces image resolutions exceeding the adjacent pixel value to the resolution of the output device by combining pixels in an image sample area to make one larger pixel. Selecting Average Downsampling to downsamples by averaging the pixels in an image sample area and then replacing the entire area with the average pixel color at the specified resolution. Selecting Subsampling to replaces an entire area with a pixel selected from a sample area at the specified resolution. This often causes a jagged appearance in the resampled image. Selecting Bicubic Downsampling to downsamples using a weighted average versus the simple average used by the Average Downsampling to choice to determine pixel color. This tends to produce the best quality. If you select a downsampling method other than Off, then enter the pixels per inch to which to downsample images of each type into the adjacent pixels per inch field. If you select the Off choice, instead enter the resolution above which to use the resolution of the output device. Then, for each method other than Off, enter the pixel per inch threshold value above which to apply downsampling into the For Images above X pixels per inch field. Note that this field does not appear for the Off choice. To set the compression type for each type of image, select the desired choice from the Compression dropdown. To set the image quality level for the compression, if you selected one of the JPEG compression choices for color images and grayscale images, select a choice from the Image Quality dropdown. To set the tile size, if you choose one of the JPEG 2000 compression choices, then enter the desired pixel value into the tile size field that then appears. To select the level of anti-aliasing samples, which sets the number of gray levels to use to smooth jagged edges for monochrome images, select a choice from the Anti-Alias to Gray dropdown. To set a policy for how Acrobat responds to images below a specified pixel per inch threshold, click the Policy button to open the Image Policy dialog box. Then, for each image type, use the When Image Resolution is below X pixels per inch field to set the lower limit threshold in pixels per inch. Then use the Adjacent dropdown in each section to select Ignore, Warn and Continue, or Cancel Job, which sets the action Acrobat takes. To set the policy, click the OK button in the Image Policy dialog box. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.